Right on. So I got a car that I'm looking to try and get here. It'll take a little drive to get it, but you know, you got to do what you got to do when you have to get the car. So this one's going to cost a bit of money. So yeah, that's how this job came in. It's a pretty quick spray job here. The client didn't want anything too excessive with the body work. The quarter panels, you know, well, entire truck is just a driver, and it's got rust. So the major rust on the truck, however, rust repair, I cut and welded out the quarter panels and put some new metal in there, and you know, started cleaning up, oops, shoot, the loose Bondo and stuff that was in there. So by no means is this a rust-free truck. It's a 66 Chevrolet, and it went pretty decent. It came to me in primer, so the story with that is that the customer wanted to keep the look that he had going, which was primer, flat black, and obviously using primer does not have a UV protection to it, so it turned into gray. But I just finished getting this thing sprayed. We'll go take a look, and then hopefully we'll put one together here once I've got the front grille back on it. So there was, you know, blocking out the quarter panels, sandblasting the grille. In total, I'm pretty much at, I believe, 32 hours right now on this thing. So it was a real just hammer it out. I'm not too familiar with the hot rod black business here, spraying this stuff. It is a single stage, and it went good, you know. There was big lumps in the hood, oops, right here, and stuff like that, which I got out, and, you know, coating it, blocking it, but nothing for runs in it, just floated out. The trick with this stuff that I clued in on pretty quick because of the flattening agent in it is that you've really got to get the panels wet. So that means putting not so much excessive, but a pretty thick layer of this on, and just kind of envisioning it as clear almost, and really dumping it on it. This is 2 coats, and it's still drying, so it should flatten off quite a bit more once it's done. But you know, trim's going back on the car. It's a Chevy, so small block in it, 350. But just wanted to give something shown here of what's been going on. You know, just hammering it on, getting it out the door, and yeah, so I'm gonna put one in music here once I do have the grill on and I bring it outside, and we'll just have one final review on it. You know, it seems to be flowing out and it's drying as we speak, so kind of just gonna let her be.